Most people get this wrong when they hear free trial. They think it means full access forever. Or they rush through it and miss what actually matters. But here's the truth no one tells you. A free trial is not about testing everything. It is about figuring out if the software fits your real daily workflow. Quick promise. In this video, you will understand exactly what the FieldPulse free trial gives you in 2026, what features you can actually test, what limits to expect, and how to use the trial the smart way before paying anything. Let's start simple. FieldPulse is a field service management platform used by contractors like plumbers, electricians, HVAC technicians, and small service teams. Think of someone like Jake, who runs a small plumbing business with 3 technicians. He wants to know if FieldPulse can actually help him schedule jobs, send invoices, and manage customers without chaos. Now here's where it gets interesting. The FieldPulse free trial usually gives you access to core features like job scheduling, customer management, invoicing tools, and basic dispatching. In most cases, you also get access to the mobile app, so you can see how your technicians would use it in the field. But here's the problem. Many users only log in once, click around randomly, and decide it is too complicated or not useful. That is the fastest way to waste a trial. Instead, you should treat the trial like a real workday simulation. For example, imagine John, who runs an HVAC company. He should actually create a fake job, assign it to a technician, send an invoice, and mark it complete. That is how you see real value. Now let's talk about what you usually do not get. Some advanced features like deeper automation, premium integrations, or higher-level reporting may be limited depending on the trial version or setup. This is normal for most SaaS tools, not just FieldPulse. But here's where it gets interesting. The real goal of the trial is not feature hunting. It is workflow testing. Can you actually move from customer request to job completed and paid without confusion? That is the real question. Now let's break down what you should test during your trial. First, scheduling. Try creating multiple jobs and assigning them to different technicians. See how smooth it feels. Second, invoicing. Create a sample invoice and see how fast you can send it to a customer. Third, mobile use. Ask yourself if your technician in the field would understand it without training. And fourth, overall speed. If everything feels slow or confusing during the trial, it will not magically get better after you pay. So is the FieldPulse free trial worth using? Yes, absolutely. But only if you use it correctly. It is designed to show you how your business would actually run inside the system, not just to explore buttons. Here are the key takeaways. The FieldPulse free trial in 2026 gives you access to core scheduling, invoicing, and job management tools. Some advanced features may be limited. The real value comes from testing real workflows, not random clicking. If this helped you understand the trial better, hit like, drop a comment about your business type, and subscribe for more clear breakdowns that help you choose software without wasting time.